Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 30 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, select an app, like Play Store. Then click Home button and tap on this button with 3 lines. Then you need to click on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app. And select floating window. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can click on this X icon at the top right corner of your app, or you can go back into background apps and just close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!